Now to figure out what we should put in our media query in order to load a different image based on resolution, let's do a quick search for media queries. And I'm going to go to the developer.mozilla.org page. And down here on the right-hand side is a list of features that we can test against for our media query. So I'm going to look at resolution first. So it indicates the resolution or pixel density of the output device. It can be specified in dots per inch or dots per centimeter. So dots per inch is the same as pixels per inch. So what we do for that is min resolution. So I think this sounds right. Let's do some testing here. So let's create a new media query and we'll set the min resolution. And now the browser assumes it's going to be 96 pixels per inch. So that's the resolution of low resolution devices or around there. So let's double that. We'll do 96 times 2 for 192. So let's set it at 192. And so if that's the case, let's say we want to use the original background image. So we'll save this and go back to our example. So I forgot to add the DPI here, so I'll add DPI. And now I also missed the selector. So let's add the selector in our media query here and save it and go back to the browser and refresh. And when we do, it looks like slideshow BG is being loaded now. And that's because we're setting the resolution here. So let's set the default to the 1000 pixels. That's the small one. And we'll double up this media query by just cutting it here and using the word and. And then we'll remove this and change the background image to the high resolution version. We'll save it and then we'll refresh. Now the browser is 600 and some pixels wide. And if we extend it out beyond that, past the 800 point, we'd see our slideshow BG 1000 being loaded instead. So this isn't exactly what we'd want, but now we can see how we can combine media queries for particular effects.